Today start a new lecture, chemical reaction of ethers. Look here, a second reaction with the phosphorus pentachloride. Reaction with the PCl5. Phosphorus pentachloride or PCl5. Look here, all of you, simple. Look here, this reaction, everybody, ether, there are two types, some reaction of simple ether, some reaction of the mixed ether. Look here, a simple ether, look here, when ether ROR is reacted with PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride. Okay, heating. There are how many alkyl group? There are two alkyl group. Both alkyl group are converted into a alkyl chloride. Means, okay, twice RCl, alkyl chloride, plus POCl3, phosphoryl chloride. Look here, in case of simple ether, two formation of only one alkyl chloride. But in case of mixed ether, to form a mixture of alkyl halide. Okay, main things in this reaction here. In books, general example for example of a mixed ether, but not a simple ether. But here, a simple ether, when simple ether is heated with phosphorus pentachloride, it gives corresponding alkyl chloride and phosphoryl chloride. Okay? Yes. Look here. Next is a example of dimethyl ether. CS3OCS3. Dimethyl ether. Look here, when dimethyl ether is heated with a phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5, it gives, okay, only CS3Cl methyl chloride plus phosphoryl chloride, POCl3, phosphoryl chloride. Look here, a simple question. What is the action of the phosphorus pentachloride on dimethyl ether? IUPAC name of this compound? A methoxymethane. Look here, when dimethyl ether is heated with a phosphorus pentachloride, it gives methyl chloride, or IUPAC name of this compound, chloromethane. Correct? Repeat all of you. When dimethyl ether is heated with a phosphorus pentachloride, it gives methyl chloride. Correct? Yes. Look here, a second example here. Diethyl ether. Okay? Name of the compound, IUPAC name of this compound, ethoxyethane. Look here, C2H5. C2H5OC2H5. Simple ether. Why? Both alkyl group are same, ethyl, diethyl ether. Look here, when diethyl ether is heated with the PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride, it gives twice C2H5Cl, name of the compound, ethyl chloride. Plus POCl3, name of the compound, phosphoryl chloride. All these examples are everybody here. This is the simple ether. Look at simple questions here. What is the action of the PCl5? What is the action of a PCl5 on diethyl ether? Answer, when diethyl ether is heated with phosphorus pentachloride, it gives ethyl chloride. Correct? Yes. Look here, next, a mixed ether. Next is a mixed ether. Look here, mixed ether, second. Okay, mixed ether. Correct? Look here, mixed ether here, ROR dash. Mixed ether is heated with PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride heating. Look here, into the mixture of alkyl chloride, RCl plus R dash Cl. What is this compound? Alkyl chlorides. What is this? Alkyl chlorides. What is this? Alkyl, everybody, alkyl chlorides plus POCl3. Correct? A phosphoryl chlorides. Okay? Phosphoryl chlorides. Look here, repeat. Look here, Fein. Look here, Fein's mixed ether, everybody. Fein mixed ether is heated with the phosphorus pentachloride. Is heated with a phosphorus, a pentachloride. It gives mixture of alkyl chloride. It gives a mixture of alkyl chlorides. Simple question. What is the action of the PCl5 on mixed ether? In general, Fein, a mixed ether is heated with a phosphorus pentachloride. It gives a mixture of alkyl chloride. It gives mixture of a alkyl chlorides. Correct? Yes. Look here next. Look here next. Example of ethyl methyl ether means CH3, okay, OC2H5. Ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether. Look here, Fein ethyl methyl ether is heated with the PCl5. Is heated with a PCl5. Fein ethyl methyl ether is heated with a PCl5. It gives mixture of, means a methyl chloride CH3Cl. Methyl chloride plus ethyl chloride C2H5Cl ethyl chloride plus POCl3. Okay, simple reactions. Look at simple questions here. What is the action of the phosphorus pentachloride on ethyl methyl ether? Answer, Fein ethyl methyl ether is heated with phosphorus pentachloride. It gives a mixture of methyl chloride and ethyl chloride. Okay? Look here. All students, this is the, everybody, a simple reaction. No complex reactions. Okay? No difficulty here. A lot of the reaction, we will learn a lot of reaction to clear your main important, your basic concept of the chemistry. Basic concept of chemistry, correct? Look here, simple example here. Next example, what is the action of the phosphorus pentachloride on isopropyl methyl ether? Isopropyl methyl ether. Look here, isopropyl methyl ether. Simple example. Next here, isopropyl methyl ether, CH3. CH3O, CH3. Next is the CH3. Isopropyl methyl ether. Isopropyl methyl ether. Isopropyl methyl ether. Correct? Yes. Look here, when isopropyl methyl ether is heated with the PCl5. PCl5, all of you? Phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride. It gives the mixture of the chlorides. You know, first is, everybody, CH3Cl. Name of the compound, methyl chloride. Name of the compound, methyl chloride. Everybody, second here, CH3, CH, Cl, CH3. All of you, name of this compound here, isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride. Correct? Yes. Plus POCl3 phosphoryl chloride. Plus POCl3 phosphoryl chloride. Correct? Yes. Reaction with the PCl5. Okay, this is the simple part. Correct? Yes. Look here. Next is a reaction involving OH, means a reaction involving CO bond. A first reaction is a dilute sulfuric acid, and second reaction is a reaction with, everybody, reaction with the PCl5, And third reaction is a reaction with hot concentrated acid. Reaction with hot concentrated acid. Okay, next part. Okay. Look here, reaction with hot concentrated. Look here, hot concentrated acid. Everybody, this is the halo acids. Okay, halo acids. In case of everybody, in case of HBr, in case of HI. Okay, in case of HI, HBr. Correct? Yes. Look here, hot HI reaction with the hot HI here. You know, everybody, there are the two types of reaction also. You know, a regularly simple ether and second the mixed ether. The first is the simple ether. You know, first simple ether. Okay, like this. You know, simple ether, ROR. Simple ether reaction with HI. Okay, reaction with HX. Reaction with HX. Simple general reaction, HX. You know, heating to formation of the compound here. One is a ROH, another is a RX. What is the? This is the alcohol. What is the? This is the alcohol. Another alkyl halide. Look here, this again react with HX. Okay, next is the reaction with HX to form. Means ARX. Name of the compound here, alkyl halide. Alkyl halide plus. Okay, what is this? OH and H plus H2O. Okay, look here, next here, reaction plus H2O. Look here, everybody, ether is reacted with halo acids, HX. What is this? This is the hot concentrated acids. It gives mixture of alcohol and alkyl halides. Then react with HX to formation of alkyl halide. Look here, a hot concentrated halo acid to formation of only alkyl halide. Look here, a cold acid to formation of mixture of everybody, a alcohol and alkyl halide. Look here, all of you, the most important concept here. Clear the concept? No? Repeat. Cold concentrated. Everybody, cold concentrated halo acid to form mixture of alkyl halide. In alcohol. But in case of hot concentrated halo acid, to form only a alkyl halide. Okay, like this is the intermediate. Directly REX and REX. How many molecules form here? 2 molecules of REX is formed. Okay. Look here, next here, a simple ether. Example directly. You know example, 1 minute. Okay, example. Simple. Look here, dimethyl ether, CH3OCH3. Correct. Faint dimethyl ether is heated with HI. Okay. It gives. What is this? This is the methyl alcohol. Correct? Yes. Look here, methyl alcohol plus methyl chloride CH3Cl. Sorry, CH3I. Methyl iodide. Look here, reaction with HI. Okay, reaction with HI. Look here, reaction with HI to form a compound like this. You know, methyl iodide. CES3I. Name of the compound, methyl iodide. Look at, there are how many compounds of methyl iodide here? 1 and 2. How many molecules form? Methyl iodide, 2 molecules form. The reaction, a reaction with a hot and concentrated HI. hot and the concentrated HI. Look here, a simple reaction here. Next simple reaction. Okay. Next simple like this. 1 minute. What is the action of hot and concentrated of HI on diethyl ether? Answer diethyl ether. Simple. CS3. Okay, fast. C2H5O C2H5. Diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. Look here, when diethyl ether is heated with hot concentrated HI, it gives. Okay, first compound here like this. 1 minute. C2H5OH. Name of this compound ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol plus ethyl C2H5I. Okay? Yes, name of the compound ethyl iodide. Ethyl iodide. Look here next. Okay, here HI. Name of the compound here to form ethyl iodide. Like this. C2H5. Next is the I. Name of the compound ethyl iodide. Ethyl iodide. Correct? Yes. In case of simple ether, there are no problem here. Why? The both alkyl group are same. Okay? Or any alkyl group are converted into alcohol and another also alkyl group everybody convert into a iodide. No any problem here. Why? Both alkyl group are same. Look here, a formation of compound which is alkyl iodide and which is alcohol. Main problem, main difficulty in mixed ether. Why? Okay, both alkyl group are different. Both alkyl group are different. Look here. Okay, new concept here. Next point, a mixed ether. Second point here, mixed ether. Look here, mixed ether here. Second, mixed ether. Mixed ether. Look here, mixed ether means both alkyl group are different. Both alkyl group are different. Correct? Yes. Look here, simple, general here, R, O, R dash. Correct? Yes. Plus, everybody, a plus HI heating. Okay. Look here, in this compound to form, a smaller alkyl group convert into alkyl iodide. All of you. A smaller alkyl group convert into alkyl iodide and larger alkyl group convert into alcohol. Repeat all of you. In case of mixed ether, a smaller alkyl group convert into alkyl iodide and larger alkyl group also convert into alcohol. Look here, everybody here, a simple R, everybody here, R dash greater than R. R dash greater than R. Okay? Yes. Look here, smaller alkyl group here, RI. Okay? Alkyl iodide. Means here larger alkyl group convert into alcohol. R dash OH. Correct? Plus, what is this alcohol? What is this alcohol? Plus, RI. Name of the compound alkyl. Okay, alkyl iodide. Next reaction, HI. Formation of R dash. Okay, R dash I. Name of the compound here, alkyl iodide also. Alkyl iodide A plus H2O. Correct? Yes. Look at when mixed ether is heated with a concentrated HI, it gives, first everybody look here, actually it gives only a alkyl iodide. Only alkyl iodide. A alcohol also convert into alkyl iodide. Correct? Okay. Next reaction. Look here, next a simple reaction here. Simple. Okay, like this. Simple. Ethyl methyl ether here. Ethyl methyl ether. CS3O C2H5. Ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether. Look here, a simple criteria, simple basic concept of the reaction here. Smaller alkyl group convert into alkyl iodide. Look here, smaller alkyl group here, methyl group. Means methyl iodide here, CS3I. Name of this compound, methyl iodide. everybody, a larger alkyl group into alcohol. C2H5OH. Name of this compound, ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. The reaction with HI formation of here C2H5I. Name of this compound, ethyl iodide. Ethyl iodide. Actually, everybody here, a mixture of methyl iodide and ethyl iodide. A mixture of methyl iodide and ethyl iodide. Okay? Yes. Look here, in this reaction, alcohol, everybody here, alcohol is a larger and next convert into also a ethyl iodide. Next convert into ethyl iodide. Correct? Yes. Look here, a last reaction here. What is the action of HI? Look here, what is the action of HI here on isopropyl methyl ether? Isopropyl methyl ether. You know isopropyl methyl ether? CH3O, CH, CH3. Isopropyl methyl ether. Correct? Yes. Okay, look here, a smaller alkyl group, firstly everybody, and second larger here, CH3, CH, okay, next is OH, next is the CH3, name of the compound, isopropyl alcohol. Look here, isopropyl alcohol, then react with the HI2 formation of here. CH3, CHI, CH3, isopropyl iodide, correct? Look here, in textbook, only there are two general reactions, but not a detailed explanation of the different types of the reaction. No here. Okay, this is short material in the textbook, but okay, different example, okay, explained everybody here, okay, on board, detail explain here, okay, a complete everybody, first part complete the reaction with everybody, PCl5, and second reaction also complete, a reaction with hot concentrated halo acid, okay, stop.